In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a 20% cashback on Nova Trade Plus. So Nova, as you remember it, as a trading bot on Telegram for meme coins, has now actually released a DEX, and now you can get a 20% cashback for trading meme coins, which is basically a 20% discount on all trading fees. And for this, you'll just have to use a referral code. If you want to, you can use mine. So there's a link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get that 20% cashback on all trading fees. Okay, so whenever you click on that link, you'll be able to see this page. You can click on select wallet, and you want to connect one of your wallets by clicking on it and clicking connect wallet. And after that, you can just confirm it, and then you'll have to sign the message again like this. There we go. And then on the next page, it will ask you for your referral code. You can use mine, which is IHT, and when you use that code, you'll get a 20% cashback, okay? So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.